When Modi shook my hand, I felt something new: respect. For the first time, a global power came not to extract from Africa, but to build with Africa. To create something so massive that the West will never again call us developing. India commits to training 10,000 African nuclear engineers over 15 years, the largest technology transfer in African history. Nuclear engineering requires advanced physics, materials science, complex safety systems, precision manufacturing. These skills create capabilities far beyond nuclear power. Our graduates will understand radiation physics for medical imaging, materials science for aerospace industries, advanced manufacturing for electronics. Nuclear education creates African technological sovereignty across all advanced industries. Burkina Faso will host the continent's most advanced technical university. Students from across Africa studying atomic physics in Ouagadougou. Knowledge once guarded in Western labs flowing freely in African classrooms. Nuclear capability changes how the world sees African nations. India extends its hand to lift Africa into the atomic age, not as students, but as equals. Complete technology transfer. Indian engineers training African engineers. Nuclear science taught in African universities. The nuclear monopoly that kept Africa dark for 70 years ends today. 20 billion for 4 next-generation reactors, each generating 200 megawatts. Together, more power than all our current generation combined, with surplus to export across West Africa. 15 billion for nuclear fuel processing. Instead of shipping uranium ore abroad, we develop our own fuel cycle. African uranium, processed in African facilities, powering African reactors. 8 billion for nuclear universities. We will educate African nuclear scientists from across the continent. Knowledge guarded in Western labs will flow freely in African classrooms. 6 billion for safety and waste management. We will exceed international standards, proving African nuclear facilities are world-class. The first reactor starts. Dori gets 24-hour electricity for the first time ever. Not intermittent solar that disappears with clouds. Not diesel generators that break monthly. Reliable nuclear electricity flowing for decades. In Gawa, mechanic Seydu dreams of a modern auto shop but lacks reliable power. Current grid delivers maybe 4 hours daily, making business impossible. Nuclear electricity changes his world. Round-the-clock power means welding equipment, diagnostic computers, electric tools, even electric vehicle service. His small shop becomes a modern center employing dozens. In Kaya Hospital, doctors operate by flashlight when power fails. Medical equipment breaks from surges and outages. Nuclear baseload power transforms this into a modern facility. MRI machines, CT scanners, surgical robots, research labs. The hospital that once referred cases to Europe becomes West Africa's referral center. Companies extracted African uranium and shipped it abroad. Niger's uranium-powered French plants. Namibia's uranium-fueled American reactors. Africa mined atomic fuel that lit the developed world while staying energy poor. This partnership ends that colonial relationship. 4 billion for transmission infrastructure. Nuclear power reaches every village through Africa's most modern electrical grid. 2 billion for research facilities. 1 billion for regulatory frameworks. This is not scattered aid. This is systematic investment in atomic sovereignty.